How to add another account in WhatsApp. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Misnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can add another account on WhatsApp. Now, the process itself is quite simple. After the latest update, WhatsApp has given you the permission to use two different accounts on WhatsApp. So let me show you how you can do, or how you can add multiple accounts on WhatsApp. First things first, you want to open up WhatsApp. You want to tap on the three dots that you'll find at the top right corner, and then you want to head into settings. Now under settings, you'll find the very first option that says account. You want to head into account, and here you'll get the option that says add account just above the option that says delete account at the second last. As you can see, tap on add account and then tap on add account again at the bottom, and now it'll ask you for permission and such. Here simply agree and continue, and here enter in your phone number, your country code, and verify like you sign into your WhatsApp account, and you'll get signed in. Now once you're signed in, I'll not sign in here, but I'll show you how you can switch in between your account. Once you're signed in, what you can do is you can simply tap on three dots, and below the settings option at the top right, you'll get the option that says switch account. So once you have added the account, you'll be able to say switch account, and you can simply switch account from there. So this way you can add another account on WhatsApp. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.